and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Molly Sarambai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. On Friday, January 13th, a group of 41 young people, medical students and doctors from the faculty of the University Center of Luciada in Santos, São Paulo State, Brazil, reached the Salesian missions among the indigenous peoples of Sangra Duro and Meruri to carry out the 14th expedition of the academic project of assistance to indigenous peoples, PAPI. Before beginning the journey among the indigenous Bororo people in Meruri and Zavante in Sangra Duro Papi, volunteers learned about the natural beauty of Chapada dos Guimares Natural Park. Although Kenya's economy is the largest and most developed in Eastern and Central Africa, some 16.13% its population lives below the international poverty line. This severe poverty is mainly caused by economic inequality, corruption and health problems. In turn, poverty also worsens these factors. Kenyan young people who have been forced from their homes are impacted by the environments they find themselves in. The Salesian approach of focusing on prevention rather than mitigation saves many young people from falling into the lives of poverty and suffering. One such preventative solution is to focus on education through media training. This is what Salesians of Don Bosco, through the Don Bosco Youth Educational Services, are doing for the young people of the poorer areas of Nairobi, Karinde, Dagoretti Market and Mutuide. The Salesian family of the AFC EST delegation, an area of the Central African province that includes the presences of Goma, IT, IG, Ngangi, Boskolak and Shasha, met on January 16th at the Salesian work Don Bosco Ngangi to celebrate the Rector Major Strena Day 2023. Father Orlian Mukangwa, SDB AFC EST Provincial Delegate, appointed Superior of the Africa-Congo Vice Province ACC, opened the event by wishing for a year of grace, peace, success, collaboration and solidarity among all actors in the Salesian family. Father Raymond Bavu Mirage, SDB Vicar of the Africa Great Lakes VP, presented and elaborated on the theme of the Strena 2023 of the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Atame, as the yeast in today's human family, the late dimension in the family of Don Bosco, also answering various questions from participants. The day ended with a Eucharistic celebration presided over by Father Mukangwa, followed by some cultural and recreational activities by the youth of the Salesian Youth Movement. Salesian Family Day was celebrated on January 11th at the headquarters of the Salesian delegation of North Vietnam. Currently in the Northern Delegation, in addition to 48 Salesians working in 11 communities, there are 4 groups of the Salesian family. The Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, 38 sisters in 5 communities, a center of the Salesian cooperators with 25 members, 5 Don Bosco volunteers and 2 groups of the Association of Mary Help of Christians with 120 members. The event was also attended by some young people from the Salesian Youth Movement SYM and some representatives from the parishes where the Salesians serve. Father John Baptist Tran Van Hao, Superior of the North Vietnam Delegation, presented the Rector Major Strena 2023 and presided over the Mass in honor of Don Bosco. Salesian Deacon Denelson Bezerra Ferreira was ordained a priest by the laying on of hands and consecratory prayer of Archbishop Emeritus of Campo Grande, Archbishop Vittorio Pavanello SDB on January 14 in Our Lady Help of Christians Parish. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.